Welcome to this exclusive update on experienced QA job openings in Chennai and Coimbatore. In this video, we're showcasing 27 exciting roles across automation testing, manual testing, ETL, SDET, and more. Whether you're a senior tester or a mid-level engineer, there's something for everyone. Let's dive into each opportunity. All apply links are shared in the video description. Let's get started. Automation testing using Selenium and Java. Location, Coimbatore. This role requires experience in test design, architecture, and test scripting. You'll work with test life cycles, agile methodologies, and collaborate with the QA team. Key skills include Selenium automation, Java, and test process knowledge. Apply now if you're a hands-on automation engineer with a process-oriented mindset. Senior SDET for payments domain. Location, Coimbatore. This role is ideal for candidates with over 8 years of testing experience and at least 3 years in payment-related projects. You'll create regression and end-to-end automation packs using Selenium, TestNG, and Cucumber. Experience in ISO, Swift, PSD2, and DevOps tools is a strong advantage. If you're passionate about high-coverage testing in the fintech domain, check this out. Selenium Automation Tester. Location, Chennai. This opportunity is best suited for professionals experienced in Selenium, Ready API, and Postman. You should have a good command over SQL and web services testing. Development background or AI familiarity is a plus. Apply if you're looking for strong backend and non-UI testing roles. Functional testing role. Location, Chennai. You'll be handling system, integration, and regression testing. The work involves test planning and execution using manual or automated scripts. SharePoint experience is preferred. A solid position if you specialize in functional test design. Senior Associate in Quality Services. Location, Chennai. You'll be accountable for test execution, defect analysis, and compliance audits. Responsibilities include tracking progress using QA metrics, sharing knowledge with the team, and raising valid defects. This role also involves mentoring peers and ensuring best practices in test documentation. A great opportunity if you're strong in root cause analysis and quality strategy. AVP Testing Specialist for Versana Integration. Location, Chennai. This is a senior role involving testing for ACBS loan management systems. You'll translate business requirements into test plans and validate system configurations. Ideal candidates should have experience in syndicated loans and business analysis. If you're skilled in financial workflows and testing practices, this position is for you. Selenium Java Tester. Location, Chennai. Requires 4 to 6 years of automation experience. Key tools include Selenium, TestNG, Java, Rest Assured, Jenkins, and Maven. BDD framework experience with Cucumber is a plus, along with CI/CD pipeline integration. Perfect for automation engineers looking for a hands-on role in agile environments. Quality Assurance Specialist. Location, Chennai. Candidates need at least 6 years of QA experience in software development. The role requires strong logical analysis and test case execution. You'll work closely with development teams to resolve defects. Apply if you're a detail-oriented QA professional with solid database knowledge. Perfect for automation engineers looking for a hands-on role in agile environments. ETL testing role with Azure expertise. Location, Chennai. This position requires strong hands-on skills in ETL, SQL, and data warehousing concepts. You'll validate transformation logic, work closely with business teams, and automate testing where possible. Experience with Python or PySpark is a bonus. Ideal for testers who want to specialize in data platforms. Assistant Quality Manager. Location, Chennai. Focused on service delivery and quality management systems, you'll lead audits, manage transition accounts, and enhance process efficiencies. Requires RCA, FMEA, Lean, and Six Sigma understanding. Ideal for senior quality professionals with project management experience. Functional Testing Specialist. Location, Chennai. Requires 5 to 8 years of experience in functional testing, both manual and automated. You'll work on integration, regression, and UAT phases using Selenium and API tools. Unix commands and SQL scripting are essential. Experience in CLM and KYC domains will be an added advantage. Quality Assurance Manager. Location, Chennai. This is a leadership role, requiring over 10 years of experience. You'll drive compliance with ISO, CMMI, and ITIL frameworks. Strong auditing, documentation, and stakeholder engagement skills are essential. Ideal for QA leaders experienced in both delivery and process excellence. QA Analyst 2 in product development. Location, Chennai. This role involves developing and executing test plans aligned with internal standards. You'll be responsible for writing test procedures and maintaining documentation. Also includes analyzing test results and recommending corrective actions. A great fit for analysts who focus on product quality and test standardization. Software Development Engineer in Test, or SDET. Location, Chennai. Responsibilities include writing automated test scripts and integrating them with CI/CD pipelines. You'll debug failures, maintain test repositories, and suggest test strategies. Requires strong coding skills and experience with tools like Git, Jenkins, and test frameworks. Ideal for automation experts seeking hands-on engineering roles. Senior QA Analyst. Location, Chennai. This is a hybrid role involving manual testing and support for automation initiatives. You'll collaborate with developers, validate features, and track bugs through the SDLC. Test planning, sanity checks, and integration coverage are core responsibilities. Great for testers with 3 or more years of hands-on QA experience. Automation testing role. Location, Chennai. You'll build and maintain test automation frameworks using tools like Selenium, Tosca, and Playwright. Involves both load testing and detailed defect documentation. Requires 3+ years of hands-on experience in Java, C#, or JavaScript-based test scripting. Suitable for automation testers ready to lead enterprise-level projects. QA Specialist in Global Shared Services. Location, Chennai. This position involves quality inspections, root cause analysis, and risk assessments. You'll support QA frameworks, monitor metrics, and drive automation opportunities. Strong communication skills and data accuracy are vital. Ideal for professionals aiming to influence quality across global operations. QA and testing specialist for CAD automation tools. Locate test design tools using manual and automated methods. And experience with Creo, parametric, and 3D CAD systems is a must.
CAD automation.
Responsibilities include regression testing and validating engineering tools. Ideal for engineers with mechanical or CAD backgrounds and QA knowledge. Embedded testing, Tester 3. Location, Chennai. You'll construct and execute embedded system test cases. Tasks include automation script development, defect documentation, and usability validation. Knowledge of Agile Scrum methodology and ISTQB certification are desirable. A solid role for testers with a focus on embedded technology. QA Engineer 1. Location, Chennai. You'll work on ARIS Cloud products, ensuring quality through functional load and performance testing. Collaboration across international teams and understanding cloud platforms is essential. Preferred skills include programming basics, CI/CD, Docker, and Kubernetes. Ideal for QA engineers looking to grow in cloud-based product teams. QA Engineer. Location, Chennai. In this role, you'll test legacy and new systems, write detailed test cases, and collaborate with product teams. Hands-on SQL, Agile/Scrum knowledge, and strong defect tracking skills are essential. Responsibilities include functional, regression, and user acceptance testing. A great fit for mid-level testers who enjoy both back-end and UI testing. Python API testing. Location, Chennai. Requires 6 or more years of testing experience with strong proficiency in Python and Postman. You'll use the robot framework to automate test cases and verify APIs. The role includes defect validation and preparing test environments. Ideal for automation testers with a focus on API-level validation. ETL Snowflake testing. Location, Chennai. This is a data-intensive QA role focused on validating migrations into Snowflake. You'll use Python for data validations and test data pipelines involving Kafka and Snowpipe. Includes end-to-end testing, schema validations, and automation integration, a perfect opportunity for testers specializing in cloud data platforms. Automation testing. Location: Chennai. You'll automate test cases using Selenium WebDriver with C#. Tasks include UI testing, web services validation, and client communication. Must have experience working in fast-paced, agile environments. Ideal for testers with strong scripting and team coordination skills. QA or test analyst in insurance domain. Location: Chennai. You'll perform manual testing on insurance apps including policy issuance and claims. Report and document test cases, track defects, and support UAT. Knowledge of functional, regression, and system integration testing is key. Great for those wanting to grow in domain-specific QA roles. Quality Assurance Engineer Level 5. Location: Chennai. You'll define QA metrics, write test plans, and work closely with development teams. The role includes bug tracking, log file analysis, and quality risk assessments. You'll influence test architecture and advocate best practices. Suitable for senior QA engineers looking for high-impact roles. QA for data migration projects. Location: Chennai. This position demands 8 to 10 years of experience, with at least 3 years in core banking QA. Responsibilities include validating data integrity, documenting quality issues, and managing defect resolution. Familiarity with Transact, Agile, and banking migration workflows is a must. Ideal for testers who specialize in financial applications and data QA. That brings us to the end of this video. We've explored 27 exciting QA opportunities in Chennai and Coimbatore. All job IDs and apply links are listed in the video description below. If a role matches your profile, don't wait. Submit your application today. Like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest tech jobs. Thank you for watching, and all the best in your job search.